Cotton Surname Meaning and History, presented by coadb.com. Surname meaning: it is an English habitational surname denoting a person who lived in or was from any of the numerous places named Cotton, derived from the Old English word cotum, meaning at the cottages or huts. Examples include Cotton in Cambridgeshire, Cotton in Northampton, Cotton in Staffordshire, as well as Cottam in East York, Cottam in Lancashire, and Cottum in Nottinghamshire. Early bearers included Ralph de Coton in Worcestershire, England, documented in 1185 AD, Ralph de Cottam in Yorkshire, England in 1212, Ralph de Cutun in Northumberland in 1273, Robert de Coton in Cambridgeshire in 1273, and Richard de Coton was documented in Cambridgeshire in the year 1273. Noble titles held included the Cotton Baronetcy of Conington in the County of Huntingdon, a title created in the Baronetage of England in 1611 for the antiquary Sir Robert Bruce Cotton, he also sat in the House of Commons, and he was the grandson of Thomas Cotton of Conington, who was High Sheriff of Huntingdonshire in 1547. Here we see a list of the Cotton Baronets of Conington all the way through the 6th Baronet, Sir John Cotton, who died in 1752. And here we see the 2nd Baronet, Sir Thomas Cotton, as well as the family estate of Conington Castle. They also held the Cotton Baronetcy of Landwade in the County of Cambridge, a title created in the Baronetage of England in 1641 for Sir John Cotton. He was the son of Sir John Cotton of Cheveley and Landwade, a member of Parliament, who is depicted in the oil painting on the right. And here we see a list of the Cotton Baronets of Landwade all the way through the 6th Baronet, Sir St. Vincent Cotton, who died in 1863. And here we see Sir John Hind Cotton, the 3rd Baronet, as well as the family seat of Mattingley Hall. The Cotton Baronetcy of Combermere in the County of Chester was a title created in the Baronetage of England in 1677 for Sir Robert Cotton, a member of Parliament. Here we see a list of the Cotton Baronets of Combermere all the way through the 6th Baronet, who died in 1865. And here we see Sir Robert Cotton, the 3rd Baronet, as well as the family estate of Combermere Abbey. Now the 6th Baronets, Sir Stapleton Cotton, a British Army officer and diplomat. He served in Ireland and India and was governor of Barbados. He was elevated to the peerage as Baron in 1814 and further elevated as Viscount in 1827. And he was born at Llewellyn Hall. Landed gentry included Cotton of Knowlton Hall in Flintshire, Wales, represented in the 19th century by Charles Cavalli Cotton, Esquire. Also Cotton of Etwall Hall in County Derbyshire, England, represented in the 19th century by Roland Hugh Cotton. He was a Justice of the Peace and a Major in the Staffordshire Militia. Notables included Leonard Cotton, Mayor of Canterbury in 1580, Charles Cotton, born 1630, an English poet and writer, Dr. Ralph Cotton, alive around the year 1660, Sir Henry Cotton, born 1821, a British judge and Privy Councillor, Lieutenant General Sir Willoughby Cotton, born 1783, was an English soldier in the British Army and the son of Lieutenant General Sir Willoughby Cotton, born 1783. Richard Lynch Cotton, born 1794, was a British vicar and academic administrator at the University of Oxford and provost of Worcester College. John Cotton, born 1585, was a clergyman in England and the American colonies and was considered the preeminent minister and theologian of the Massachusetts Bay Colony. Joseph Cotton, born 1745, was an English mariner and merchant, a director of the East India Company. Last slide, John Cotton arrived in Boston, Massachusetts in 1630. Sarah arrived in Massachusetts in 1633. Roland Cotton came to Virginia in 1637. William and Margaret Cotton arrived in Virginia in 1638. Henry Cotton came to Newfoundland, Canada in 1675. And Leonard Cotton arrived in Nova Scotia, Canada in the year 1749. And if you enjoyed this video, please visit us at coadb.com, where we offer genealogy research services. Link in the description. Thank you very much.